This article is coming from The Motley Fool. Here's a new $1 million reason to buy Crispr Therapeutics. Crispr Therapeutics is heading for an important moment, the potential approval of its first product, Exocel, to treat blood disorders. And this week, the company announced news that adds to the buy case. It teamed up with Vertex Pharmaceuticals, which has a license agreement that gives it access to CRISPR gene editing technology. And that's what CRISPR Therapeutics does. They're into the gene editing technology. And I only know about this company from Kathy Woods. And I do believe that gene editing is going to be a thing of the future. So as I mentioned, the agreement with Vertex is another good reason to buy CRISPR shares right now. But it's not the only reason. As I mentioned, CRISPR and Vertex are awaiting a regulatory decision regarding Exocel. They have submitted the candidate for sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia to regulators in the US, Europe, and the UK. Right now, treatment options for these illnesses are limited, so Exocel could reach blockbuster revenue levels. Okay, so let's just go to the ticker symbol of CRISPR Therapeutics, CRSP. CRSP. And if we go to the monthly chart, well, then I would agree. If you believe in the technology longer term, it is selling at a discount relative to where price was back in January of 2021 when it hit $220. Alright, so let's find an entry. I would love to buy options, not shares, but buy some options at $26. But I don't know if that's going to happen. So let's go down to the weekly chart. And my eyes gravitated to this area here. Oh, I like this area too. Alright, so you got two areas. This area already hit. You did get a reaction, right? Um, might be in the process of forming a double bottom potentially. So we'll say that's weekly buyers at $40. But I'm looking at my chops at this area here. And depending on how you draw the zone, you could say it nipped the zone. I'm going to draw it like this though. Alright, so you got two zones. And that's at we'll say 30, 50. You know, the next bull market in the broader equities, this is going to take off as well, right? Biotech in general is considered high risk, like tech, like cryptos. So when the floodgates open up again, when the central banks printing machines go brr, 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 um, these stocks should do well. I need to pay attention to this stock. I'm going to put an alert on this one. Oops. Uh, let's see. $40. I'm going to see if there are call options, um, leap call options going out a couple of years. Um, I need to do a little bit more research on this potential blockbuster drug um, that they might be associated with. So um, now this is an opportunity to make $1 million, unlike the previous video I did on United Healthcare, where price was already at, you know, close to all-time highs. Um, and I'm sure the market value for United Healthcare is, I don't know, a hell of a lot more than Crisp. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.